National Logistics Policy, Sagar Manthan, India Maritime 2047 Vision. Hello, Namaste. Today at LogiLeads, we explore government initiatives that are in work to make India a global leader in shipping and logistics. It all started with the National Logistics Policy introduced to reduce the logistics costs in the country and boost efficiency. The current logistics cost in India accounts for 13 to 14% of the country's GDP. This is significantly higher compared to many countries. But this policy aims to bring down the logistics cost significantly to a single digit of 7 to 8%. The National Logistics Policy aims on digitalizing the entire supply chain, from railways to roadways, from shipping to aviation. It is about creating seamless connections and improving efficiency, thereby improving India's export competitiveness. And it just doesn't stop here. Entering Sagar Manthan, a game-changing program focused on modernizing maritime infrastructure and positioning India as a global maritime hub. Sagar Manthan is all about capitalizing on India's vast coastline, improving our port infrastructure, and thereby increasing our coastal efficiency. Sagar Manthan ensures that we boost trade, create new industrial zones, and ensure that shipping industry thrives in the global economy. It is a vision that combines technological advancement with sustainable responsibility. And now we look ahead to Maritime Amritkal 2047 vision. This is a bold initiative with an investment of 80 lakh crore. With this vision, we aim to have a sustainable and a highly tech-functional maritime industry. From hydrogen-powered ships to digitalized ports, India's maritime sector has a clear vision. It is headed for a 21st century makeover. By 2047, India aims to be a leader in sustainable maritime trade. The emphasis will be on increasing port capacities, promoting inland waterways, and developing green hubs near port areas. This will not only drive economic growth but also create numerous job opportunities and transform the way we look at global shipping. Now, as we take all the three initiatives together, Sagar Manthan, National Logistics Policy, Maritime Amritkal Vision 2047, we see a unified roadmap with each initiative playing a critical role in reducing logistics costs, promoting infrastructure growth, and positioning India in the forefront of global maritime trade. These initiatives are not just for improving India's logistics efficiency, but they are here to redefine how we do business in the world of trade and shipping. As these efforts unfold, India is set to become a powerhouse, paving way for sustainable, efficient, and a prosperous future. For more such videos on shipping, logistics, and maritime updates, follow LogiLeads.